Subaru EyeSight is an advanced driver assistance system that uses dual-color cameras mounted behind your windshield to monitor traffic and enhance safety. EyeSight provides several key safety features, including pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist to help prevent accidents. While EyeSight enhances safety, there are situations where you might want to temporarily disable it, such as during off-road driving where the system may give false warnings. The easiest way to temporarily disable EyeSight is through your vehicle's multifunction display. Navigate to Settings, then find EyeSight Settings or Driver Assistance options. Important to remember, these temporary settings will reset when you restart your vehicle, so EyeSight will automatically re-enable for your safety on your next drive. Beyond basic dashboard controls, there are advanced methods to disable EyeSight, but these come with serious warnings and risks that every owner must understand. The first advanced method involves accessing a hidden menu by holding specific button combinations. This varies significantly by model year and requires precise timing and knowledge of your vehicle's specific procedure. Physical disconnection involves removing camera connections or modifying the ECU control module. However, this method is strongly discouraged as it may trigger persistent warning lights and requires professional diagnostic tools to prevent system errors. These advanced methods carry serious consequences. They may void your vehicle warranty, affect insurance coverage, and compromise safety systems that protect you and other drivers. The warranty implications alone can cost thousands in future repairs. Automotive safety experts and insurance companies strongly advise against complete EyeSight disabling. Statistics show that EyeSight-equipped vehicles have a 28% reduction in rear-end crashes, making these systems crucial for road safety. If you absolutely must consider permanent modifications, consult qualified automotive technicians who understand the complex integration of modern safety systems. They can help you understand all implications and maintain the ability to restore functionality when needed. Remember, advanced EyeSight disabling methods carry significant risks and are generally not recommended. The temporary dashboard controls covered in the previous section are usually sufficient for most legitimate needs while maintaining your vehicle's safety and warranty protection.